Hi folks, it's Tony again from Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. The last few videos I've made have all used rice in their dishes, so it was time to try something else. And so tonight we're having pasta, seafood pasta. This has to be my all-time favourite seafood pasta dish. It's a very simple dish and pretty easy to cook, but like with a lot of simple dishes, ingredients-wise, less is more. And it's a case with this dish. A few ingredients, but the flavour is just it's outstanding. Anyway, we'll show you the ingredients and then get on with cooking. Okay. Okay, so like I say, only a few ingredients, but boy, they're good. Start off with prawns and mussels, still in the shells. Some parsley, that's to put on afterwards. Parmigiano, which I'll put on afterwards, of course. Some tomato sauce. Tomato paste, just list up tomatoes, some white wine, black pepper, some this is actually minced garlic. It's aged minced garlic, but probably one clove of garlic would be enough for this dish, and of course some olive oil, and in there is some pasta that it's actually linguine that I've cooked. It's about 3/4 cooked, so we'll finish it off in the sauce. I think that's it. Yep, so let's get going. Okay, we'll start with a generous glug of olive oil. A bit of the garlic. And the seafood. I love seafood. I could eat seafood forever. We've got some nice prawns here and some lovely mussels I've got from the local supermarket. Cook a little bit, don't want to cook them too much because the garlic will start to catch. And add some of the white wine. Quantities wise, just a generous glug. That's all I can say. Bit high, turn down the tab. Not that much. Then a bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. And just let it cook. I'll let it cook down a little bit, then get back to you. So I'll pause the video and see you shortly. Okay, oh man, the smell that's coming off this right now. There's something incredible about garlic, white wine and seafood. The three together, the smell that they produce is just exceptional. It really is. Right, this is starting to cook down a little bit now. I've turned the heat up, so it's cooking it quicker. Now then, need to put the tomato in. Sorry, blocking the camera. And we'll come back to you in a couple of minutes. Okay, that's reducing down now, so we can add the pasta. Right, got stuck. Yeah. Now it'll need a bit more cooking, the pasta. It's not fully cooked. And a good tip is to, if you need to add any liquid, keep hold of the liquor that you've cooked the pasta in, because that is full of flavour from the pasta. And much tastier than anything you get from the tap or the kettle. So do not throw your cooking liquor out until you've finished. Actually, the water that I cooked the pasta in, I actually made a stock out of the shells from the prawns, just to make it a bit more flavoursome. Now it's starting to get a little bit dry, so we can add some more liquid from the pasta. As I say, the pasta needs to cook a little bit more. It's not fully cooked yet. Taste for seasoning. No, that's fine. Of course, if you don't want to cook them with the shells, and the shells, I don't know, it obviously looks nice, doesn't it? But and I think the shells kind of impart more of a seafoody flavour to it as well. I don't know, I may be wrong, but if you don't want to use the shells in it, then you can buy mussels frozen. I mean, these king prawns, these prawns were frozen, and it's fine. If I wasn't doing it for the video, to be honest, I would just use frozen mussels. If I was cooking for friends or cooking for this video, as I say, then I use fresh ones. Still tastes good. We'll just cook it down a little bit more, and then it was done. Okay, I think it's about done, so we can stop cooking, and we can dish up. Okay, so here it is. Wow, I mean, it smells absolutely incredible. I'm just going to put some parmesan on it, parmigiano, a little bit of parsley, and give it a taste. Don't know if you can see this. Oh, I kid you not. Or sometimes I think that, you know, sort of these food bloggers on YouTube go over the top when they taste the dishes. But on this one, honestly, it's from the heart. It's from the taste buds. Oh man, the flavour of that seafood. It's just a simple dish. I mean, you know, as you can see, there's hardly any ingredients in it, but the flavour is just absolutely insane. Excuse me. Let's have a prawn. Honestly, if you're going to cook a seafood pasta dish, don't use too many ingredients. Just use simple ingredients. Parsley, white wine, a little bit of garlic. You don't want to go too heavy in the garlic because you don't want to overpower the flavour of the seafood, which generally doesn't have a really strong flavour. So not too much garlic, and fresh things, fresh products. Always use the freshest products you can get. With seafood, I mean, even if it's frozen, it's going to be, you know, it was frozen when it was fresh. So if you're cooking for friends, cooking for a video like this, then yes, by all means use the shells. But if you're not bothered about shells, then don't. Just buy the frozen stuff, and it'll still blow your mind. I mean, this is just incredible. So buon appetito, as they say in Italy, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, and hit the notification bell, and you will be notified of any videos that I let out in the future. Okay, take care, people. I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay, see you next time. Peace and love, people. Peace and love.